Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Marachi here again. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to come up with these amazing facial masks that will help you to boost collagen and give you that glowing skin. These masks will help you to get rid of hyperpigmentation, get rid of wrinkles and fine lines. So if you want to learn how I come up with these masks, then keep watching. We're going to be needing a tea bag of green tea. I'll be using the one that is mixed with matcha powder. But if you don't have the one that is mixed with matcha powder, you can as well use only green tea. Green tea contains anti-inflammatory, which helps to reduce skin irritation. It helps to reduce the redness and swollenness of the skin. It's very good for sunburn. And also matcha powder contains antioxidants and helps to detoxify the skin, which is very good. Okay, I'll be using just a tea bag. If you have the already grounded green tea, you can use just a teaspoon of green tea for this recipe. The next ingredient I'm going to be using is gram flour. Gram flour helps in exfoliating the skin and getting rid of dead skin cells. It also helps to lightening the skin because it contains lightening properties and also help in reducing the appearance of acne spots. I will be using just a teaspoon of gram flour for this recipe. So we have our green tea mixed with matcha powder and gram flour. I'm just trying to break down the big lumps of the matcha powder and the gram flour. Okay, you don't want big lumps in your mask, so you just want to break that down with your mixing stick or your mixing spoon. We're going to be needing brown sugar for this recipe. Brown sugar granulated particles exfoliates your skin. It clears away dried and dead skin cells. This helps create a smoother look and lend a youthful glow. It will help you to glow your skin. I will be using just a teaspoon of brown sugar. It also contains antibacterial properties and glycolic acid that keeps your skin radiant and healthy. Our next ingredient is going to be milk. Milk contains lactic acid, which is very good for the skin. It will help to promote new cell growth on your skin, give you that youthful look and help you to look younger. Milk also has lightening agent which will help you to lighten up your skin. It also helps to exfoliate your skin and remove those dead skin cells that have accumulated on your face. Milk also contains antioxidants, anti-aging property and anti-inflammatory, which is very good for your skin. Applying milk every day on your face will help you to age in reverse. I added 3 teaspoons of milk for this recipe and you want to give that a very good mix. Our next ingredient is avocado oil. Avocado oil contains high amounts of vitamin E as well as potassium and lecithin, which is very good for your skin. It helps to moisturize the skin, boost collagen and helps to promote new skin growth. This accelerates the healing process, helping with issues like sunburn. So if you are suffering with sunburn, avocado oil is very good. It suits sunburn. These ingredients mixed together will help you to fight against wrinkles and fine lines. Applying this mask on your face will help you to stay looking radiant and younger. The last ingredient that we're going to be needing is honey. Honey contains antioxidant and anti-inflammatory property, which is very good to help you to fight against wrinkles and fine lines. It gives your skin that glow and also help in boosting collagen. I'll be using a teaspoon of honey for this recipe. Honey also contains antiseptic property, which is very good for oily and acne prone skin. So if you are battling with acne, honey is very good to apply on your skin. You're gonna miss that very well. So here we have our masks that will help you to age in reverse. These masks can be stored in the fridge for up to 7 days. Okay, you can use these masks every day on your skin for up to 7 days. So guys, here I have the masks that will help you to get rid of wrinkles with time. So I will be applying this mask now on a circular motion on a clean skin. What you have to do is to wash your face first before applying this mask. I will be using my hand to apply it because of the granules, and I want to exfoliate my skin with the mask. You can apply this mask under your eyes, okay? You can apply it under your eyes, but please be gentle. While applying this mask under your eyes, please be gentle, so that the granules will not penetrate inside your eyes, okay? If you are watching to this extent, that shows that you love what I do. Please, if you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing and also put on the post notification bell so you won't miss out any of my upload. And don't forget to give the video a thumb up and share to your loved ones. You can also leave a comment at the comment section below on how you feel about these masks. If you're going to be trying the masks out, write it down in the comment section below. At this point, you want to be generous with the mask. Don't forget your neck and your décolleté. You apply this mask on your face and your neck. You want to be very, very generous on the mask, okay? Apply it. Make sure to clothe your face with the mask. So guys, after applying this mask, you leave it to sit for up to 30 minutes so that your skin can absorb all the nutrients from the mask. So after which you can rinse it up with warm water or lukewarm water, okay? Thank you very much for watching this awesome video. There are 2 videos that will pop up on the screen. After this content, you can click any of them to watch the content. I will see you in my next video, and don't forget, if you have not yet given this video a thumb up, please give the video a thumb up and also share to your loved ones. See you in my next video. Stay safe and stay blessed. I love you so much. Bye.